That's my builder husband. Yeah. Just give me a heel, Rasta. You say yeah. Concentrate.
That's a love, you know. You want enough respect, you know. Respect to the viewers and subscribers. To Ras and Empress Yuda Natural Liberty. Oh.
Yeah. King Rastafari on top of a mountain in the Caribbean Sea, Atlantic, Ethiopia.
Hey family, welcome to another of our videos from Empress Yuda and Ras Natural Liberty channel. In this one, we are progressing with the building work, as you know. So if you are a subscriber to the channel or if you're family here, you already know that I moved from the UK to the United States just over a year ago. And since I've moved here, my husband, who was already living here, I've decided that, okay, now that my wife is here, let's move forward on the restoration work. So we've been restoring our home, and this has been for roughly a year plus. And this is where we're at. We have before pictures, and this is where we are today as we speak. So we removed the old fence. We reinstalled new fencing, new gates. We also ensured that we did a new roof, so the entire house has been re-roofed. We've done the floorboards, we've done the beam boards, we've changed the windows, we've changed some of the doors so far, not all the doors, because so the other areas where we've not yet restored, those are yet to be changed. But so far so good. I'm really pleased to see how much work we've managed to achieve, and as a team, how we've pulled forward on this project. And also, you know, the magic of my husband's hands, how much he can do, because it's really good, especially in this time, to be able to do things yourself. And from what I see, my husband can build a house from the ground up. Rasta, so we done for tonight?
Yeah, man, lock up for tonight now, because more time you have to have
Come.
time for the family, you know.
Look how my husband look like dirty potty. For my king man.
Hard work.
Hard work. Look how my husband dirty. If you were to see Rasta out in the street, you didn't think so Rasta some, I don't think, me no want to call him madman Rasta, but you don't know, say that's how we call people at Jamaica when they look so at the street, right? In America here we call them homeless or whatever. But look one Rasta. If you were to see Rasta like this on the street, what would you think? You wouldn't think so some madman. Look one Rasta. But that's the trademark of a hard working
Man.
That's right. Look how my husband neat. Look there. Jeez. Look there. Who can fit in board and neat? So look there. Look there, man. Look there. I am so impressed. Rasta, me have to praise you. Me have to praise you, builder. Because a millions, a thousands of dollars these. Trust me. You do an excellent job. So this was a closet, right? A double closet, right, Ras?
Yeah.
Double closet, and Ras has converted it into a single closet on this side, and then it's gonna be another closet which is gonna open on the other side.
Yes.
Rotted. Rasta convert this really massive double closet into two separate closets. So one is gonna open out into this bedroom, while the other one is gonna open on the other side of the house, right?
Yes.
That's gonna be on the living room side, right?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. My husband can design and fix. Look this. Family, if you saw how many timber Rasta had to cut out of this structure, all of this had termites in it. All of this Rasta had to cut and treat. Look at that. Look how it neat. Look there. My goodness. Man, neat. Look there. Everywhere you see wood cut is Rasta cut and refit. It looks like a boardwalk. Look there. Look there. Oh my days. I watch him cut every single piece of wood. Every single piece of board him cut out and him refit. Look there. Look there. Look at the nails. Look how Rasta put in the nail them. To precision. Look right here. Look at the window. Look how Rasta changed the board right here at the window. And look how him refit that. Everything neat. Look how him fit the windows in. Look there. Look at that. And it's not because Rasta went to school for this. He didn't go to school for building construction work.
Natural thing, man.
Natural.
You know, DNA, you know.
Yes.
You don't know, my father was a carpenter, you know.
Yeah.
Cabinet maker, build furniture. You know, not like these days now you have a kind of machine that turns stuff and fit up stuff, you know. You do it by a single and you know.
Yes.
So he's well talented, you know, and also my brother too, you know. He does that trade for a living, you know. Yeah man. So it's in our DNA, you know. And I give thanks, you know.
I give thanks.
Yeah man, so life, you know. And we have to give thanks for what we can able to help yourself with, you know, in these times, you know. Because you don't know. And if I couldn't do this, pocket would have burned.
For real.
Yeah, pocket would have burned, you know. So give thanks once again, you know. More life.
Bless her. So I'm super grateful for all of this, and we're progressing on this family, and we want to inspire you as well. It's not where you start, it's where you end. So carry forward. I mean, if you see a small house or if it's even an old house, why not move forward on it? If you've got the resources and you can get it, whether you can get it on credit or even if you can get it on a owner finance like we did with our home. Our house was bought on owner finance, and this house was paid off for within 4 years. I mean, debt free. That's what we strive for, family. I mean, I don't want to have no debt hanging around my neck. I don't want none of that. I don't do debt. So if I see something and I can grab it and get it, I'll go for it. I mean, property number 2, I've shared it on my channel. That property, we were given 3 years to pay off a property number 2. And we've already basically gone a year. So only 2 years to go. So in buying properties, we will enter into short-term contracts, but no 30-year mortgage plan or 25 years, absolutely not. So we'll encourage you, family, to look around, see what you see what you can buy, because now is a good time to buy properties. A lot of people are selling properties at the moment. Knuckle down and find out what's happening in your area. With that said, family, for those of you who've been asking about my dogs, because they're always barking in the background. Whenever I go to the chicken coop, they're always barking. I'm going to be sharing with you my dogs. So I hope you full enjoy this video and say hi to Raspberry and Olive. Until my next video, family, blessed love. And please continue. I don't usually say continue, it's continue. But because I'm here in the US now, my videos are being promoted mainly to a lot of ones who speak, I'd say, USA English. So when I say continue and some of the other slangs that I'll use or some of the other words in the Rasta dictionary that we have created ourselves, people don't understand what I'm saying. So let me just say, I continue to support my business at Ancient Herbs Company at www.ancientherbsco.com. We recently started selling fruit-infused sea moss. We also sell raw sea moss along with non-toxic, chemical-free, natural, handmade body care products. And we also sell hair products. So hair growth products for natural hair, check out our website. Thank you, family. Until my next video, blessed love, Empress Yuda, and Ras Natural Livity channel. Razzie, come here. Razzie, psst, come here. Come here. They said they haven't seen you. This is just one. That's Raspberry. Hey, what's up? What's up, girl? That's Raspberry, guys. That's Raspberry, fam. That's Raspberry. That's our dog. One of our dogs. That's Raspberry. Razzie. Hey, come here. Come here. That's Raz. What's up, girl? So for those of you who've been asking about my dogs, that's just one of them. So at least you see Raspberry today. Alright, another day me show you some more. That's just one.